You are sitting at a red light, waiting for it to turn green, when suddenly the steering wheel starts vibrating in your hands and the car feels like it is coughing, almost as if it wants to stall. It is a scary feeling, and then that dreaded orange light pops up on the dash. If you scan it and see P0303, your car is telling you exactly where it hurts. This code stands for cylinder number 3 misfire detected. Now, for an engine to run smooth, it needs air, fuel, and spark in perfect rhythm. A misfire means one of those three is missing in cylinder number 3. It is not a random glitch, it is a specific location. The first thing I always tell people to do is pop the hood and locate cylinder 3. You might need to check your owner's manual to see which one it is, as every manufacturer numbers them differently. Once you find it, look at the ignition coil and the spark plug wire. Is it loose? Is there oil leaking onto it? The most common culprit is usually a worn-out spark plug or a bad ignition coil. Here's a classic mechanics trick you can do yourself. Swap the ignition coil from cylinder 3 with the one from cylinder 2. Clear the code and drive the car. If the code moves to P0302, boom, you know your coil is dead and you just saved yourself a diagnostic fee. If the code stays on cylinder 3, pull that spark plug out. If it looks black and sooty or the gap is huge, replace it. Sometimes it can be a fuel injector or low compression, but 90% of the time it is just regular maintenance stuff that has been ignored. Don't drive on this for too long because dumping raw fuel into your exhaust can melt your catalytic converter, turning a $50 repair into a $1,000 nightmare.